In today's episode of Tesla series, we are reviewing what appears to be a Cybertruck inspired new high-power level 2 charger for Tesla and other electric vehicles. This is from a company called Megear and just launched to the market. This charger is somewhat comparable to Tesla's wall charger, but is also portable for you to take it anywhere. The package comes with everything you need to get this installed, minus all the tools. First, align the back bracket to the location of your choice. Next, mark the 4 screw holes on the wall to hold the bracket. Use a drill to make those 4 holes on the wall. Insert the 4 drywall anchors that came with the kit on those holes. Align the black bracket and insert those 4 screws. Make sure those screws are fully secure. Next, we're going to install the wire hook. Align the hook with the charger and find a suitable location of your choice. Mark those 4 holes and use a drill to make those holes. Insert the drywall anchors on each of those holes. Go ahead and secure the hook using the screw that came with the kit. Again, make sure those screws are fully tight and secure. Finally, we need to install this bracket that helps secure the charger in place. Follow the exact same process. Make the 4 holes, insert drywall anchors, and secure the bracket in place. Also make sure it is fully secured. Here are the 3 pieces that we just installed. We can go ahead and install the charger now. First, insert the main charger into the large right bracket we installed earlier. Then we'll make the cable bundle and hang it from the hook. Finally, the charger end plugs into the leftmost bracket we installed. It looks like this with everything installed except for the main plug. You can go ahead and plug the charger into your 240 volt outlet. You'll see a green light on the charger. In the screen, you can see the current temperature, voltage, amps, and the timer. You can adjust the current setting from 12 amps, 16, 24, 32, and maximum of 40 amp. You can also set a timer on how long you want to charge the car. This is not very helpful for Tesla as the car already allows you to set the limits and such, but this could be helpful for other cars that do not have the feature. For Tesla, you do need an additional J1772 to Tesla adapter that comes with your car. All you have to do is plug it in with the adapter and you can start charging. As you can see, the Tesla shows green and this is charging. Let's look at the charging rate. This is a 2018 long-range Model 3 with a maximum current of 40 amp and looks like we're getting that 40 amp maximum current. This is equivalent to charging 38 miles per hour. Here is another Model 3, but this is our 2018 mid-range with a maximum current input of 32 amp. And we're getting that full 32 amp, which is about 31 miles per hour. This is also clearly reflected on the charger itself, and you can see all the spec directly on the charger screen. Overall, this is a great and affordable alternative to Tesla's wall connector and comparable with other wall chargers we have reviewed. I like the fast charging rates, minimalist sleek looking design, ability to manually adjust the current and time, ease of installation, heavy duty cable. It also has protection for cable bending on both top and bottom, and the fact that it comes with a really nice carrying bag. The charger also shows the status in the back with all the alerts and faults and what they mean. The only thing I don't like about this charger is the fact that it doesn't come with the swappable NEMA plugs. You have to choose either the NEMA 650 for a regular 120 volt outlet or a NEMA 1450 for a 240 volt outlet. In the past, when we have reviewed other chargers, they came with the swappable parts like the Tesla's mobile connector. That will do it for today's review. Please let me know if you have any questions or just want to share your thoughts about this product. Please use the comment section below for all of those comments. I thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel for weekly Tesla videos. I'll be back next week with another Tesla product.